Today on Cassidys Craveable Creations, we're going to be making a keto chicken tortilla soup in the Instant Pot. But if you don't have an Instant Pot, I'll also have instructions to make it on the stovetop and in a slow cooker in the description below. And to see more recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below so you'll be alerted each time I post a new video. So my mom made this keto tortilla soup recipe for us the whole time growing up. It's a family favorite and I know you're going to love it as much as we do. It's warm, comforting, and full of flavor, so let's get started. So today I have my husband Caleb here. He's going to help me out, and we are just going to start off by chopping up some carrots and celery. Okay, so now that the carrots and the celery are chopped, we're going to add
I chopped them.
Yeah, Caleb chopped them.
And I did, what'd you say?
What?
Perfect.
Oh, I didn't say that. That's okay. He did really good, though.
They don't know that.
He did really good. Where was I? Oh, yeah. So now we're just going to add a few ingredients to the jar of a blender to give the soup kind of a nice, thick, creamy consistency. And we're going to add some diced tomatoes. Minced garlic.
This is next.
And I'm going to add a seeded and deveined jalapeno because we don't like things spicy, but if you like spice, you can leave those in. But that's where all the heat is in the seeds and veins, so we took those out. And then we're going to add an onion, but I
don't think I should have to cut the onion.
You're not going to cut the onion?
No, I don't want to cut the onion.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we don't need to cut it very much because it's going to be blended, but we need to get you're still going to try because you're pretty close. But we need to get the skin off. Uh-oh, it's not cutting because my knife isn't sharp. Still haven't gotten me that knife sharpener. That's okay.
I thought I ordered it, and you know that.
Yeah.
I forgot to push the button.
Okay. So now we're just going to blend all this up, and then I'll meet you back here, and we're just going to add everything to the Instant Pot. So now all that's left to do is add all the ingredients to the Instant Pot. And then while it's cooking, we're going to make our fried tortillas to go on top, but we'll get to that in just a little bit. Okay, let's start adding the ingredients. We can add the chicken.
Can I use this?
Yeah. You want to trade places?
No.
No. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, put it in there.
Okay, let's trade places.
Okay. Yeah, we just pour it all in. We have 2.5 pounds. Okay, use your hands.
What am I doing?
We have 2.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. And you can use thighs if you prefer. It doesn't matter. This is diced tomatoes with green chilies. I like to call it Rotel, but there's a lot of brands out there. All the spices. Well, I'm trying to think of what the spices are. I know I have coriander, chili powder, salt, pepper, oregano. I don't remember for sure, but the cumin, yes. But all the ingredients are going to be in the description below in the full recipe. Yes. Thank you. Things are falling.
Don't lose my perfectly chopped carrots and celery.
Here's our blended stuff.
Pour that in.
That has all that flavor in it with the garlic and onion and tomatoes. Yeah,
yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Uh-oh. There's a big old piece of onion that didn't get blended. I'll have to go back and blend that some. Oops.
What happened to the onion?
I don't know. I don't know why I didn't get blended. I have a little thing I can use to make sure it's all blended, and I didn't use it. Oh well. We'll go back and blend that in just a second. Okay. And so now we have 8 cups of chicken broth. Be careful. And this is equal to 2 of those 32-ounce box containers.
And it all goes in there?
Yeah, all goes in.
This is a no-look pour.
I'm scared.
Me too.
Okay. Wow, that's taking a long time. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to blend up that onion, and then we're going to Put the lid on, and we're going to cook this on high pressure for 18 minutes, and then we'll see you back here when it's done. So while the soup is in the Instant Pot cooking, we just quickly made some keto tortillas, and I'm going to put a link to the recipe over Caleb's left-hand shoulder, and then there will also be a link to it in the description below in the recipe card. And so I just heated up some avocado oil over medium heat, about 350 to 375 degrees. I have about a 1/4 inch of oil. And so we're just going to stack about 3 or 4 tortillas, and we're going to cut them into strips for the
Oh, you want me to do that?
Yeah.
Oh.
I was looking at just like 1/2 inch strips maybe. You know, like we're going to sprinkle on top of the soup, so kind of thin.
Better than that?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, just like that.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, for the fried tortillas on top. Perfect. And then we're just going to fry them, and we want to be careful not to overcrowd the skillet because otherwise they won't brown well. And also you want to make sure your skillet is nice and hot because they'll be greasy, and make sure they're not too hot or they'll burn. I know it seems like a lot of rules, but it's actually easier than it sounds.
So many rules.
Okay, so let's kind of spread them apart here because we want them all to have their own little space. And we'll just stick them in the oil here. Okay, so this just came out of the Instant Pot, and all we did was shred the chicken and put it in this bowl, and we're gonna garnish it and try it. I can't wait to try it. Okay, so let's just you want to put some cilantro on there, and I'll put a few.
Did I break it?
Yeah, I actually had some already broken up in a little jar, and I forgot it. So just sprinkle some on there, and some avocado. Avocado's so good. And some.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Definitely you don't want to miss. Oh wow, those are huge things of cilantro. Okay. That's okay. No, it's okay. You just normally just don't put the stems in. You just put the leaves in.
Oh.
Yeah. That's okay.
I feel like I should have known that.
That's okay. And then we definitely want lots of lime juice. If I can get a hold of it here. Yeah, this tastes so good with a lot of lime juice. I don't ever eat this without fresh limes. And then, of course, it wouldn't be tortilla soup without the fried keto tortillas that we just made. So good. So do you want to try do you want to try this first?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. There's a big old long stem on your spoon.
I'm going for it. I'm doubling down.
Okay. Wow.
It's wonderful. I think the stem adds something to it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the recipe I always grew up on my mom making on cold winter days, and it just reminds me of home. I love it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So today I have my husband Caleb here helping with me. Helping with me? Helping me? Helping. I don't know.
I just love that big old onion.
It was disastrous. I wonder if we could cut that.
I was getting so nervous right before I start talking.
Don't be nervous, babe.
Okay.